Welcome to your French class. Our today's lesson is Les Nationalités, means the nationalities. Every country has its own countrymen and accordingly we call them. Like if I'm living in India, then I will be called an Indian, and so will be called a boy. If a boy is living here in India, he will be also called an Indian. But it is not the same in French. In French, as we know that everything is masculine and feminine. Either it is masculine or feminine. So we have put all the countries also in masculine and feminine categories. Like La France. France is actually a feminine country. France is called La France. England is called l'Angleterre. Japan is called Le Japon. It is masculine. China is called La Chine. Italy is called l'Italie. India is called l'Inde. United States, it's a plural country. It is called les États-Unis. Germany is called l'Allemagne. Now these are the country name according to masculine and feminine cases as they have already been put in. Now we'll see how the feminine and how the masculines will be called. If a man is living there in a particular country, how he will be called, how he will be given his nationality, and how the girl will be called. Now take the first one. If a masculine one, if a boy is living in France or a girl living in France, how they will be given their nationalities. The person who is living in France and masculine, so he will be called français. Français. Now if you notice, we have just added E here in its feminine form and we have made it française. Here it was français, française. Now the second one, l'Angleterre. The boy who is living in England, he will be called anglais, anglais. And again we have added E here and anglaise for the feminine one, anglaise. For Japan, the country name is Le Japon, masculine country. The person who is the man who is living there, japonais, japonais, japonaise. Again we have added E here. China now, La Chine, man who is living there, Chinois, girl, Chinoise. Again, the same rule is applicable, we have added E here. Now, the person, the man who is living in Italy, the country name is l'Italie, Italien, Italian. Now, here, the rule we have changed a little. IEN, all the words that are ending with IEN will take extra N before adding an E. Okay, so Italia, Italian. Now, the man who is living in India, the country is called l'Inde, and the man who is living in India will be called Indien, Indian. Now again the same rule we have applied here, IEN. Now we have doubled the letter N here and then we have added E. Indien, Indian. Now United States, the country name is Les États-Unis. The man who is living there, America, American. Again we have just added E in the spellings. For Germany, the country name is l'Allemagne, l'Allemagne, and the man who is living there, Allemand, Allemand, Allemande. Now we have added E here, Allemand, Allemande. Now it is the simple route that we have followed here. Every time we have added E in many of the cases except this one and this one where IEN was the ending and we doubled the letter N and then we added E. So in rest of the cases the same rule is applied, and now we'll come to one exercise. Let's see how we use nationalities in sentences. Now here we have been given names of the countries in brackets and the names are given in French with all the articles. The country is masculine, feminine and vowel. So now take the first sentence. Paul. Paul is a boy. Paul a dash. Now Paul belongs to Italy, means l'Italie. Paul is a boy. Now we have to give him a masculine nationality. So what was that? Yes, Italien. Now he is a boy. We'll write it till here only. Had it been a girl, suppose Pauline would have been here, we would have added one more E and then one more N and then E. Come to the second one now. LA dash. Now the country name is La Chine. Means she belongs to China. Now she's a girl. We have to give her a feminine nationality. So we'll write Chinois. First the masculine one. Now we'll convert it into feminine case. Chinoise. LA Chinoise. Now the third one. Yes, we dash. Now the country name is Land, means India. I belong to India. Now if I'm talking about myself, I'm a girl, so I'll write Andiyan. First the masculine one, then I will convert it into the feminine case, Andiyan. Because I'm a girl, I'm writing yes, we Andiyan. I doubled the letter N and then I added E. Had there been a boy, he would have used Andiyan. I-N-D-I-E-N till here only. Ils sont dash. Now il means they, the boys. Ils sont dash, and the country name is l'Angleterre. L'Angleterre means England. They belong to England. How to say England? They are Anglais. Anglais. Now I'm not going to add anything after S, although il, this word is written in its plural form, plural conjugation is used. Still I'm not making any change here because the word is already ending with S, and wheresoever the word is ending with S, you need not to add one more S there. Now the next one, Elena A dash. Now Elena is a girl and she belongs to Les États-Unis, means United States. So she is American. So America. First we'll write the masculine form. Now we'll add E. Elena est américaine. Elena is American. Now the next one, elles sont dash. L means the girls. Girls belong to France. Now La France. So we'll write français. First the masculine nationality. Now we are talking about the girls. I'll make it feminine, and now my word is ending with E. I need to convert it for plural case, so I will add one more S. Elles sont françaises. Now the next one, tu es dash. The country name is Le Japon, means Japan. Tu means you. Now the second person you. Let's take, he is masculine. We are taking the masculine case. Tu es. Now Japon. Japon means Japan and the nationality is Japonais. Okay. Had the second person been a girl, we would have added one more E here. One E here. Nous sommes dash. Now the country name is Land, means India. We are Indians now. So we'll write Andiyan first. Now we are plural here, so we'll write S. Andiyan. Nous sommes Indiens. Now we'll revise it one more time. Paul est italien. Paul, the boy. Paul is Italian. Elle est chinoise. Whenever there is E after S, you'll read it like Z, chinoise. She is Chinese. Je suis Indienne. I am Indian. Elles sont anglais. They are England people or the English people. Elena est American. Elena, the girl, she is American. Elles sont françaises. They are the girls. They are French. Tu es japonais. You are Japanese. Nous sommes Indiens. We are Indians. Now this is the way how we use this concept in sentences. I hope you would have understood. Still, if you have any doubt, do ask me in the comment box. Thank you.